In this video, I will show you how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos on iOS devices. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening the Photos application on your phone. Scroll down and go to Recently Deleted. Enter your password or use Face ID to view the album. Here, you can view all the photos and videos you recently deleted. If you want to recover a photo from here, then open the photo. Now, tap on Recover at the bottom. Tap on Recover Photo again to confirm. You have now successfully recovered this photo. Now go back to the menu and open the Settings application. Then, go to your profile at the top. Over here, tap on iCloud. Scroll down and tap on Photos as shown. Here, turn on Sync this iPhone. This enables you to store your photos in iCloud, even if you delete them from your device. After that, go back and open Safari. Go to iCloud.com and go to your account. From here, scroll down and open Photos. Over here, you can view all your photos and videos synced to iCloud. If you want to download a photo from here, tap on Select at the top right corner. Then, select the photo and tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on Download. Tap on Download again to confirm. And that's it. You have now successfully recovered this photo and can view it on your device once again.